Well, I thought I had a video going here. I've done wrapped about almost everything. Here's a unboxing from Scott Lauer in England. We got some bullhead flint here. Got a little makeshift tripod going out of my bike stand. I'll just have to grab the camera and go over this stuff. Totally thought I had a video going here, but I'm a noob, I guess, and it must have cut out on me about 3/4 of the way through. Bullhead flint. I tell you, Scott, you went above and beyond and out of your way, because you really hooked me up with a nice box of stuff here, and this material is just amazing. Super high quality stuff. Nice little preform. Very cool. Can't express how much I appreciate this stuff. Nice flakes. A couple little piles of flakes so far. What do I do with that other pile of flakes? Stuff seems a little similar to root beer. More high quality, I think. Okay, still recording this time. Some bullhead preform. Tell ya, I'll definitely be keeping some of your preforms. Too nice to touch. Something to remember you by. Chalk flint knife or preform. Yeah, a lot of these are like knives. Could be used just as is. If you were a napper back in the day, in ancient times, you would have been super valued, my friend. I think they would have been fighting over you. Look at that. Oh, that's definitely a keeper. Not going to be turning that into anything, Scott. That's staying just as it is. I'll call that a knife. I think we're empty in the box. Now I'll show you some of the stuff that got missed when I thought I was recording. Just amazing. Even your little preforms look like art. Nice little biface. This is all either chalk flint or bullhead flint. I'm gonna have to, I would have been able to go back over the video to see what it was, but I didn't record a video as I thought I was. So maybe Scott can tell me what some of this is when he watches. I also threw in some cool little, well, this is a preform. They also threw in some cool little points. Crafty creations. this one with the label. Since I lost my footage that I was going to be able to go back on to identify this material. Even though there's only two different kinds, they're pretty similar looking, to me at least. Look at that. Very quality, Scott. Quality preforms, quality box of material. And here's one of the points. What was that? I don't know if I... You're gonna have to tell me what kind of point this is, because I'm not super up on all those. Man, beautiful. Hopefully I'm getting everything in frame here. There's another one. I'll have to go back over some of my labels. Corner notch chalk flint. It's that fine English stuff. The good shit. Amazing, Scott. Appreciate you. Really do. Thanks, buddy. All right.